Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually do the ice skating challenge properly in Heartopia. So I think I didn't do it correctly, but if you go to the ice skating challenge, you're just going to press start. I'll need to score 5,000 points. So let's start. Basically, you'll need to select the second action here when your aura turns yellow, as you can see. And then when it turns yellow, you're just going to go back to the one. And then you're just going to switch in between those two. Again, when it turns yellow, just click on it as fast as you can and it's going to change to your second action. And then you can also hit this to get like more points. As you can see, this is like not like the finisher, but like the trick that you have. And then when you're done, when you see like that yellow score, you're just going to select the first action again and then the second one. And yeah, you're not actually just pressing random buttons. And I thought we were just pressing random buttons, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!